Here's 5 ways to know you're not getting ripped off in solar. Are they insured to do the work that they're quoting you for? Are they insured to be on that roof? Are they insured to work with electricity? Check that. Check that. D&O, have they spoke to you about the D&O process? Do you know that you've got the capacity arrangement in place to have the size of system that you've been sold? Quotation, drill down inside that quotation. Make sure that their assumptions don't make an ass out of you later. If they're saying that electricity is going to be £3 a kilowatt, let's check those numbers. Drill down, check the quotation. Qualifications, are they qualified to be doing the work that they say they're doing? If they're working with the panels, if they're labouring, if are they working at height, qualified? Check the qualifications of the team that come and do the work for you. Governing bodies, last one, or quick 5, there's loads more. Governing bodies, are they registered with the appropriate governing bodies for who they say they are and what they say they're doing? I'm going to put a little list of different governing bodies that are out in the working marketplace. I am so annoyed at people out there wrecking our solar industry, wrecking our energy industry, wrecking our electrical industry by doing poor workmanship and not following through with shoddy, not being insured to do the work, not registering things with the D&O, saying things are going to pay off before they're never going to pay off, completely not qualified to work on the size of systems that they're saying they're going to work on, and then completely not being bothered to register anything with governing bodies. Never mind talking about warranties or system expectations and things like that. I hope that has helped educate some of my LinkedIn friends and also get shared by some of you incredible installers out there doing some absolutely brilliant work up and down this nation, trying to slow down the slippery slope of where we could all end up if we don't look after our planet.